founded in 2013, is a plastic cosmetic packaging manufacturer specialized in airless bottles, foam pump, dispenser pumps, cosmetic jars and bottles, served prestigious and emerging businesses, including filling factories, cosmetic brand owners, and beauty salons, etc. Our unceasing commitment to quality, innovation, and functionality over the decade have earned us a high reputation and separated us from the other companies that lack vision for the industry future. To be the benchmark of the cosmetic packaging industry is our mission. Quality above all else. High quality ensured by 7S Factory, management system, and dustless workshops. With our can-do attitude toward superior quality products, we have been improving the technology from the very first container. Every staff is always open to innovation and technology. Working hand in hand with designers, we make packaging for cosmetics an extension of your brand and the physical embodiment of your business. At Xingyuan, we don't see it as just packaging. We see it as a means of communicating your brand's value, innovation, message, and above all else, an experience will be remembered by your customers. One-stop services support your brand ambition. Before your cosmetic meet the world, meet Xingyuan Cosmetic Packaging. Partnering with Xingyuan, you can rest assured all products are produced flawlessly before reaching your filling lines. Xingyuan promoted brand competitiveness and influence during the outpath of creativity and initiative. Always keep moving with customer together.